high, previous accident damage. Sometimes you don't have to just go for the premium inspection, right? If you do any inspection, it's better than no inspection, right? And that's the reason why. Let me just quickly show you. Let me just flip this over. Alright, that's better. So you can see nice and shiny places. You can see previous filler marks and resprays, and it's normally this section is too shinier than it normally are. There's sort of imperfections around here, and same as on the other side of the area. So that straight away is an indication there has been previous to the accident, you know. But if you're looking underneath, right, you can see where it's been sort of the silicone type thing used all over, and it's sealant, silicone sort of sealant, and you can see there where it's starting to crack. The repair obviously around here has been done quite satisfactory. They could have done a bit neater by using that sealant all the way around. Same as around here, you can see it in some edges. You can see previous sort of some corrosion marks around it, but you can see where the repair has been done, you know. So they replaced the space wheel section around it, so at least you know before you buy, and then you can make a decision whether that's suitable for you. But the repair is satisfactory to the satisfactory standard, so that's why sometimes you need to do used car inspections, or to make sure everything else is correct on the vehicle.